Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'll be explaining to you guys how you can get the latitude and the longitude of a point on Google Maps, so let's get right into it. Now, the same works for both the PC or the web version, which you see on my screen right now, and for the mobile version, so the process is pretty much the same. So let's take a location as an example, for example, the Rockefeller Center. What I'm going to do is I'm just going to click on it to select it. If you're on the mobile version, you can just tap on a already existing location, which has been marked. If it's not marked, just tap and hold, and now you can get these coordinates. Now you're gonna need to search through the options over here, and you will be able to find the coordinates like it. Now on the mobile version, it'll show you the coordinates among the options, as I've already mentioned. However, on PC you can do the easier route, which is to just locate your location, right click on it, and as you can see, you have your latitude and longitude over here. In this case, it is in decimal points, and the latitude is 40.75874 north, and at negative 73.97868 west. And I don't know exactly how to convert this to degrees, minutes, and seconds. However, this is 40 degrees north and 73 degrees west. Pretty much the minus denotes that it is west, plus is east from the Greenwich line. So that is pretty much it. And yeah, that's literally as simple as it gets. As I've mentioned, you will see those coordinates when you select your location on the mobile phone within the data that is shown to you, and that is pretty much it. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.